BMW, a brand that's been delivering driving excitement and refined luxury for decades. But here's the truth, not every BMW is a winner. Some of the best BMW models are built to last, while others are the most unreliable BMWs you could own. For years, BMW has been known as the ultimate driving machine. But as many owners have learned the hard way, not every BMW delivers long-term happiness. Some models offer outstanding reliability and can rack up hundreds of thousands of miles. Others, they're money pits that will drain your wallet faster than you can say checked engine light. In this video, we'll break down the best and worst BMW models in years, including which ones to avoid and which deliver rock-solid reliability. Here are the best and most reliable BMW models to date.
Number 1. BMW 328i E90 2006 to 2011. The E90 328i with the naturally aspirated N52 inline-6 is one of the most reliable BMW models and years you can buy. No turbo means fewer failure points, and the N52 engine is known for its durability and smooth power delivery. It still delivers the classic BMW driving feel, precise steering, balanced handling, while being easier and cheaper to maintain than most German cars. With proper care, these cars can easily surpass 200,000 miles.
Number 2. BMW 540i G30, 2017 to present. One of the best BMW models of recent years, the G30 540i uses the B58 turbo inline-6, an engine praised for both performance and reliability. Paired with the ZF 8-speed transmission, it offers seamless shifts, excellent fuel economy, and strong longevity. It's luxurious, comfortable, and dependable, proof that BMW can still build a modern, reliable luxury sedan when they get it right. Number 3. BMW 2 Series Coupe, F22 2014 to 2021. The F22 2 Series is a return to BMW's roots, compact, rear-wheel drive, and engaging to drive. Whether you choose the 228i or the M235i, you get great handling and better than average reliability. It's also cheaper to maintain than many other BMW models of its era, making it one of the best BMW models for driving enthusiasts. Number 4. BMW Z4 E85 E86 2003 to 2008. Often overlooked, the early Z4 is a fun, minimalist sports car that's also surprisingly dependable. With the M54 or N52 engines, it avoids many of the reliability issues that plague newer BMWs. The Roadster is perfect for top-down cruising, while the Coupe offers style and rigidity. For drivers who want something unique, reliable, and affordable, the Z4 is a hidden gem. Number 5. BMW E83 X3 2003 to 2010. The E83 X3 from model years 2003 to 2010 is widely considered one of the best and most reliable used BMW SUVs. It's a dependable choice for those seeking a practical and economical vehicle with a good driving experience. Compared to other BMW models, the E83 X3 stands out in the SUV lineup for its relatively simple mechanics and solid build, which contribute to its strong reputation for reliability. While all used cars require maintenance, this generation of X3 is less prone to the severe and costly issues that plague some other BMWs, making it a smart option for buyers who want the prestige of a BMW without the high risk of expensive repairs. Before you hand over your hard-earned cash for that shiny used BMW, listen closely, because not all BMWs are created equal. Some models look amazing on the outside, but hide a laundry list of problems under the hood. Costly engine failures to endless electrical gremlins, these are the worst BMW models in years that can turn your dream car into a financial nightmare. Number 1. BMW X5 E53 2000 to 2006. The first generation X5 was a groundbreaking SUV for BMW, but it's now infamous for being one of the most unreliable BMW models ever. Transmission failures in the V8-powered 4.4i and 4.6 models were common, often well before 100,000 miles. Electrical glitches, climate control problems, faulty window regulators, and cooling system issues make ownership a nightmare. Even simple things like door locks and handles would fail. Sure, you can find them cheap today, but unless you're a skilled DIY mechanic, this is one BMW SUV you should avoid. Number 2. BMW 7 Series E65/E66 2002 to 2005. These years of the 7 Series were meant to showcase innovation, but they ended up on the worst BMW models list. They debuted BMW's first iDrive system, which was glitchy, confusing, and prone to failure. The V8 engines in the 745i and 745Li suffered from oil leaks, timing issues, and costly valve stem seal failures. Add in complex electronics that frequently break, and you've got an unreliable BMW luxury sedan that's cheap to buy but brutally expensive to own. Number 3. BMW 535i F10 2011 to 2016. The F10 535i looks like a dream. Sleek design, luxurious interior, and plenty of power. But under the hood is the N55 turbocharged inline-6, an engine with a mixed reliability record. Common problems include high-pressure fuel pump failures, leaky gaskets, Vanos solenoid issues, and turbocharger wear. While the car drives beautifully when it's running right, these issues add up fast. It's the definition of a BMW model to avoid if you want stress-free ownership. Owning a BMW can feel like rolling the dice. Pick the wrong model and year, and you're stuck with an unreliable BMW that eats money. But choose wisely, and you can have one of the best BMW models ever made, combining driving pleasure with long-lasting reliability. Always check maintenance history and get a pre-purchase inspection. Do that, and you can enjoy the best BMW years without the nightmare repair bills.